Have it. Take it.
No.
Everything 50-50.
No.
Here it is. Take it. And
Did you get the new design?
I already sent it. Did you get it?
This one?
Here it is.
Yeah, this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go down.
I think this suits better than that one.
You silly. This is nice. But I think we have to correct it.
Just see it.
You can take it as a challenge, right?
Hi everyone. Joined Rosario Event Management as project director. Great atmosphere, nice people, having fun.
FP, huh? Can you please teach me? Don't irritate me.
Suddenly something happened.
What would have happened to me?
Something.
Shan, thought of staying in peace all alone, but you are having fun?
I think she's become mad.
Karthik, see, did you know Ria earlier?
No, why?
No, because I just got it out. That's why I asked you. That's it. Cool.
Hey! What? Huh?
Nothing, sir.
Sir, no, sir. Only Michael. Okay?
Michael.
Something is bothering you. What's that?
That while grooming the girls, are we supposed to touch them? I don't think this is necessary.
Ria, you shouldn't feel bad about this touch at all. The message is what we are going to convey to others also can be conveyed in a single touch also. When both of them are touching each other, then you know what will happen? See, there are a lot of touches here, okay? I can touch you as a father. It's full of parental affection, but it can be brotherly or even friendly. Or even as a lover as well. You should learn the differences between each and every touches, Ria, and the feel which you're having
Stop
in your
it.
heart and... What? Am I flirting here or what, huh? Fool, man.
Hey, what happened? Anything wrong?
Everything is wrong.
Come on. Karthik, I think you're in bad mood. I will take over it. You relax. Okay, guys, let's start. Are you ready? Karthik,
That,
come fast. Let's go.
1 second, I'll come.
Sharon,
Huh?
can you please drop me in that bus stop, please?
Okay, yeah. I think there is some problem. It's not getting start.
Okay, it's getting late. I will leave now.
Bye.
Come on, have it, dear. Oh, Ria.
Hello, Ria.
Hi, Sharon. Aren't you online? I sent a hi but no response.
Ria, actually, I'm chatting with Karthik now. I'll call you later.
Michael, we need a dress code.
That's a wonderful idea. Come again? I didn't get your point.
I'm talking about Karthik.
Karthik?
When he's grooming the girls, he need to be in a proper dress code.
So, is he undressed or what?
He's wearing just shorts.
At least he weared it, right? Ria, you know this guy?
No.
Really? He's a renowned filmmaker, Shyam Prasad. He's a good friend of me. He'll be looking like this in the shooting spots as well. See, it's all about the comfort. Whatever they are willing, they are wearing it. That's it. Actually, you should... come here. Not over the face. Here, down. Look down. See? I'm also wearing a short. So what's the big deal? Nothing. Ria? If you wish, you can also come like this tomorrow. Yeah, I don't have any issues. Hey, listen. If you come here once again with the silly comments like this, then everybody should wear a short. Shyam, what's wrong with her, particularly about this particular dress?
As I know the truth, I'm giving you the warning that Karthik is not a good person.
What?
He eloped with a girl from his home. After 3 days only, he returned back with
Oh,
her.
really? Then the girl must be wrong.
That girl is so innocent. He trapped her. Thank God nothing happened to her.
Look here. She spent 3 days all alone. That too with the most handsome guy, Karthik. No chance for that.
Promise.
You go, man.
Promise.
Hello? What happened? Dreaming?
Shit.
Come, let's have coffee. Coffee?
Come,
No.
No? No.
we'll go.
Oof.
Stop here.
Rita, walk carefully.
Okay.
It may hurt you. Careful.
Matthews. It's rained a lot this year, right? Please leave your slippers here.
Oh, please come. Anandam, Karthi?
How are you doing today? It rained a lot last night, right?
Yeah.
Come. Take your seat.
Yeah.
Take it.
Oh, why are you so formal?
I made it. I made it specially for you. That too after cleaning the kitchen only.
For sweet and snacks, we no need to see the hygiene.
Given a chance, my mother would even eat fish.
Oh, is it?
When my husband worked in Kolkata, all the Brahmins will eat fish also. Even I also start eating fish.
In Calcutta, fish is also called waterflower.
Yeah, you're right. I thought when we come here, your mother's going to be very angry with us.
That matter finished on that day itself.
Where is Ria?
Some guests came home today. So she went boating with them.
We have come here to convey a good news to you.
Finding a good boy for daughter and making marriage gives more happiness to parents.
Oh, it's good. So that means Ria's marriage has been confirmed.
Yeah,
Really feeling happy.
the boy is in France. He's an oncologist.
Oh,
So we thought of giving you all the good news first.
Dia likes him, right?
She hasn't had a problem with anything now. She has asked us to take all decisions.
oh, that is good.
You should stand front and make all the marriage arrangements.
Need not say that. We'll always be there for you.
Thank you, sir.
Anandam, please give coffee to all.
Just 2 minutes.
Hello.
Hi. No. Anything else?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Karthik hasn't come.
There's a marriage proposal for him.
He went to see the bride.
Ria, can you please tell me what this is? The presentation what you have made is full of mistakes. It stinks.
But according to the briefing,
Briefing? So if you're bringing everything whatever happened in the briefing, then what is the creative mind for you? Come on, tell me. This is all about the company's prestige issue, you know? Is this what the look and feel? So before today's noon, I want it clear, okay? I want this is to be done and give some work to your brain.
I'm sorry, Mike. It's my mistake.
What?
My briefing didn't have the clarity.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? Karthik will never ever commit a mistake like that.
Sorry. I'll fix it.
So in this case, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Karthi, come on, catch it.
Yes, Mike.
It's good. So now you know how to catch a carrot. Get back to work. Get back to work. Go, 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 go.
Okay. This is Ria's mistake.
No. It was mine.
Good.
Hi, Karthik Anna.
Hi.
Karthik,
Hi.
thank you
For what?
for admitting my mistake as yours.
It's okay. Ria, your marriage got fixed, right? Yesterday, Matthew's uncle and auntie had come home. Anyway, congrats.
Karthik, are you liking that girl? In office, they talked about the proposal.
That one. She's good.
What is that girl doing now?
A chef at the Star Hotel in UK.
If so, you will be tasting all good foods, isn't it? Can't she try some hotel here itself?
In that case, Saronan has to stay all alone there, is it not? Saronan is my cousin. I only went to see the girl for him. He is also working in UK. Riya, you will be informed first when my marriage is fixed. No doubt.
Why didn't you attend the call?
When did you call me, Mom?
The call was not from your mother. It was from the boy from France. Your would-be. You could have spoken to him for some time, right? He was upset that after confirming the marriage, he has not been able to hear the voice of the girl that he is going to get married to.
I had hectic work in the office, Dad.
I have told him that once you reach home, you will make a call.
I'm too tired, Dad.
What is this, dear? Please. If you talk to him, you're not going to get more tired than this.
Sister, Dad struggled a lot to fix this boy. If I have the correct age, I would definitely marry him. Don't leave this chance.
Just keep quiet. Jensen. I'll give the phone to Riya.
Hello. Riya speaking. Good evening. Fine.
Dad, close your mouth and come this side. Let her talk romantically and you please come inside. Sister, how did he speak with you yesterday?
You want to know? Okay. 4 questions, 4 answers. At what time you wake up? 6 o'clock. What is your favorite food? Noodles. What is the size of your sandal? 6. When will you sleep off? When I feel sleepy. Franz asks questions what all he wants to know. What is he? Dad's favorites would be?
What is this?
So whatever you're feeling a strange kind of event only our company is going to do next. It's all about authentic Chettiar family marriage which gonna happen in Kumbakonam. And before that, the engagement. See, the company like us is doing a kind of this function is really tough only. And I'm sure about it. It's really tough only. Karthik, come on, tell.
I find it a bit hard, sir.
It's not only for you. It's for everybody. You'll find it little nervous. It's looking little bit comedy to decorate the function place, you know. But it's like a challenge for us. All across the south part of our country, our name will be spread. Because the people who are coming to this particular wedding event is really a big shot people. So this is really a good opportunity for us to go and impress the corporate people of our country definitely. And Karthi will be our team leader. And
Okay, Michael.
Sharon will be definitely assisting you.
Yeah.
Is it okay for you?
No
Your
problem.
boyfriend will not trouble you, right?
Hey, no.
If you
I
want,
will
make
manage.
Karthik as your boyfriend for some reason.
No.
Is it okay?
Okay.
Then your baby?
Ronix will take care of her. No problem.
Bridal makeup, costume, just focus on it, okay? Riya will take care of it, okay? Any clarifications?
No, Michael.
You only thinking like that.
I'm not simply saying, Mom. This Sharon doesn't have Bell and Drake in her life.
You got break up with Karthik, right? Then what is your problem when Karthik is with someone?
What problem I have?
Nowadays, instead of teenage girls, marriage women are roaming with guys.
You just shut up. You're talking more.
They aren't married and all. They're just living together. They also have one baby.
Ria, let them do whatever they want. What's in that?
Oh, good. You guys have started packing, is it? Anyways, I have spoken to Jensen and taken his permission also. Take it. Riya, Jensen has sent his photograph. It's in the computer. You can check
Oh,
it.
is
Yeah.
it? I want to see him. Mummy, hold him, please. Sister, your hero. Nice familiar face. Very handsome. He's not up to Karthik, but he's okay.
He's looking old, isn't it?
That's because you spoke with on phone, right? Forgot? Did you get the permission to go?
Got it.
What else he spoke?
From here to Kumbakonam, how many kilometers? I don't know. Which is the shortest route, bus or train? No idea. Then search it in Google. Okay, that's all.
A Google boy. Sister, I think he's waste.
Hey, naughty.
Please be safe.
Okay, ma'am.
There this later.
Here you are.
Thank you, ma'am.
Karthi, in Kumbakonam, don't stay at hotel and all. Your mom's relative, uncle's house is there. Go and stay there. That place is very safe for you.
Best. I don't even remember them, Grandma. Okay, I'll leave.
Be
See you,
careful.
Mom. See you, Dad.
All the best.
Bye, Dad.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
See you.
You can't forget the first level forever. She will come back to you definitely. If you stay at hotel, the chance is lot.
Don't worry, Grandma. Your grandchild is very good boy.
Hey Karthik, why are you laughing suddenly?
Nothing.
Don't hide, tell me, who are you thinking about? What, yaar?
No one like that.
Hey, tell me.
There's nothing to tell.
Tell me, yaar. Don't you tell me? Hey. Actually, who are you thinking about?
No one. Please leave me alone. I'm going to sleep.
Hey, don't hurry, man. Just go slowly.
I'll ask him, man.
Take care.
Hey, no, I only ask.
Fine, not
Have
one.
it, madam.
Thank you.
Yeah. What do you guys want?
My father is coming there.
Oh, is that so?
Sir, this guy Karthik from Kerala and his friends, where are they staying?
1 minute, sir. In the third floor, they are
Hey,
at
it is third floor.
803,
Come, let's go.
804 and 805.
They're going to stay at the ground floor, no?
Yeah.
Uncle, lift this
Hey,
there.
you need lift to see Karthik. Come with me.
Made you to walk. Hey, go.
Karthik, uncle.
Karthik?
Karthik?
Oh,
Oh, bloody shame. Close the door and get dressed, bloody fools. Come, let's go.
The jetty that brother is wearing is jockey. Is it that?
Hey,
Oh, sorry, we have mistaken the room for...
who are you?
Don't you have manners? You should have tapped the door before...
What do you want?
Karthik.
Karthik is in that room.
Oh, I am his uncle.
We are all Karthik friends. We are working in same office.
Right, very good.
Hey Karthik, your uncle.
Hey,
Hey,
Karthik,
Karthik.
look at you. I saw him last when he was 7 years old. Now he looks like a palm tree.
yes.
Sheila Granny told me you are coming here, but she didn't tell me where you stay. I searched every hotel in Kumbakonam, but finally I have found you. All your favorite snacks have been made by your auntie. You should all come home and have.
Uncle, we all came here for an important work.
That is okay. You have work all time. Come, eat and then do your work. You get ready. I'll wait down there, okay? Okay, let's go. I saw him
Uncle,
when he was
please
a
listen
child.
to me.
He is
Uncle.
grown up well. You should come home for lunch, you know. Good food, pure vegetarian.
Yeah, sure.
Okay?
Yeah,
okay.
sure.
Come.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Come home for lunch. When I say fast, you must walk fast. You understand?
Okay, uncle.
Who's that?
Actually, that's my uncle. He invited us all to have lunch with him in his house. Ria must come.
Give me 3 bunch.
Ambujam! Come, all come. It is all our people. Come.
Wow, this village is awesome.
Ambujam, Varashmi.
Grandma,
Come,
I'll
come,
have
yes,
time.
come and see. Come, everybody come in. Come in, Karthi. Come in, my boy. Mother.
Hello.
Do you recognize him? Anand son, Karthi.
Hello, Grandma.
Come, all of you, come in.
He's looking very good. He's looking super. Varlakshmi, where are you hiding? She's always eager to see you, but now where she went, I think she's playing hide and seek.
Hey, Varalakshmi.
Huh? Oh, it's Karthik.
She's feeling shy. She is your uncle's daughter. Can't you remember her?
Ah, yes. I met her when she was 2.
First let us eat, then talk later. Come. Karthi's favorite is spicy sambar. You must feed him very well, okay?
Varlakshmi, ask Karthi and feed him what he likes.
Okay, Mom.
Enough, Varalakshmi. No need. It's more than sufficient. No
Don't
need.
say like that. Eat fully. You'll be healthy.
It's enough, Ma. Thank you.
When she comes to know that Karthi is coming here, she was so excited. She was so confused what to wear, green sari, red sari or yellow sari. Then she called her Sita granny in Kerala and she asked what's Karthik's favorite color and then she wore that.
Karthik, which is your favorite color?
I like all the colors. Every color has a different meaning. White is for peace. Green is for prosperity. Red is for worship. But I like Ria wearing this orange dress. At the time, I feel more attracted towards you.
What happened, Ma? You keep staring at her. Do you like that orange sari?
Is this vegetarian food very good? Huh?
Hello? 1 minute. Yes, tell
What
me.
happened? What happened now?
Hey Karthik, what happened?
What is the problem,
Why
Karthik?
all came here without eating?
I don't know, Mom.
Oh God. What are you saying?
Karthik, what
Hello?
happened? Tell us.
Hello?
Karthik, what happened? Tell me fast.
The vehicle which was coming from Chennai met with an accident. They couldn't come.
What can we do now?
What accident? What happened to whom?
Vehicle which came with artists met with an accident at Tiruchi.
So, how should we change the program now?
What can you do for the performance?
Such a simple matter. We have a lot of programs here. You give me a list of what you want and when you want. I'll talk over phone and arrange.
Engagement will be on 24th.
All
Before
right.
that, there will be a small function in temple.
Is that
Hey,
all?
what about Kolam?
You don't have to worry about Kolam. Varalakshmi has a big team. We'll have Kolam all over the temple, okay, no?
Oh, thank God.
Is everybody doing everything properly? Go and check and come.
Yes, yes.
Hey, Varalakshmi, you finish it fast.
Okay, uncle.
Hey, you both don't be lazy. Be active. Young
Okay,
boys,
uncle.
you both be brisk.
Karthik, is everything okay?
All good.
Karthik, can I teach you how to put rangoli? Come here na, please.
Okay, I'll come.
Come and sit near me.
Okay.
Hold the powder this way and put it like this. It looks beautiful,
Yeah,
right?
it's good.
Karthik,
What?
can I ask you one thing?
Yeah.
You loved a girl, right? Who's that between those two?
Who told you like that?
Grandma told me, but she told you're not loving her
That's
now.
all silly.
Dear, Karthik and Varalakshmi looks made for each other, right?
Hey, Karthik. 1 second.
I'll come now.
She's not leaving him alone. Very jealous.